What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the very cold lock shed. Keybeard here in the lock shed. It is past midnight. It is 38 degrees outside, and I don't have any heat in the shed. None. But I do have some coming up on Sunday. Sunday, I bought myself a nice space heater so I can have some heat in here, and I can keep it on with my pickin'. On this video today, I'm going to be attempting to pick the challenge lock made by Cucmber, Garbo number 3. LockJunkie was happy enough to, to loan this out to me. And he said, when I'm done, send it right back to him. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I've actually already picked this video, so there's going to be a cut and then me picking the video and gutting it. Picking the lock and gutting it. It is a very, very good challenge lock, and it's got some really good ups and downs in there, really good challenges. I actually picked it once before I made a video. I picked it open counterclockwise, and in the video you'll see I go from counter and then I switch to clockwise to actually get the open. But enough talking. Here comes the video, guys. Enjoy. All right, everybody, here is Cucmber's Garbo. It does work nicely. Let's see what we can do. I've already picked it open once off camera. So let's do it on camera. A lot of crunchiness back in the back. Yeah, start over. Didn't like how that one was going. I had to click on 3, like a very subtle. Let me feel that again. That's 4, I think. There we go. Good. 2. I'm not feeling nothing. Let's try again. Let's try clockwise. I'm getting a little bit of feedback on clockwise. There we go. There's a nice counter set. Here, let me switch to the deep hook for pin 1. Pin 1 is a very high cut. Okay. Alright, pin 1 is set. There we go. Two again. Three. Let me grab my deep hook. This guy. Okay, I'm feeling something weird. Almost like a pin locked up. Can't seem to get under it. There we go. Did lose some drops. There we go. One. Pick one again. Yep, one again. One seems to be a gatekeeper. Back to deep hook. Okay. Those two. And there is the open for Garbo Cucumber. All right, let's gut it. What do you guys say? Should we gut it? All right, guys. Garbo Cucumber. Keep it in the shot. Keep it in the shot. Set this aside. There we go. Nice. Oops. Okay, zoom out a little bit. All right, I do have a key, so I'm going to lock it back up. And I need a Phillips. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, these things are like barely in there. There we go. You got Phillips. Let's take that out of there. All right, pull that off. I need this follower. Yes. I'm not going to shim it. I don't think I need to, but I'm going to go shoop. There we go. All right, set you right there for a minute. Let's see what we got. That's what I thought. He has 6 pins, even though it's a 5-pin key, which is great. Great, great, great work, Cucumber. All right, let's pull the key out. Let's see what we got going on. I got 1. Oops, 6 already fell out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Surprisingly, all standard. Okay. Did he do anything with the core? Yep, we got some threads in 3, 4, and 6. And that might be some undercut. Possibly, I think. I'm not really sure. Very nice. All right, let's see where the good stuff is at. Hidden away in the top. Got to find my follower, or my tweezers. Okay. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Slowly, we got 6. I'm going to drop the springs individually just in case he's got different types of springs in here. 5, which I just dropped all the way down my thing. There we go. Ooh, a tiny little guy. Very nicely done. Drop that spring. Oh, I just dropped, darn it. Dropped 3 while I was at it, and... Oh, wait, no, I didn't. There's some... Oh, I see. That's still 2. That's still 2. It's a pin and pin. Nicely done. Nicely done. All right, pin 3. Looks like we have another pin and pin. Interesting. Drop that spring. Oop. Come on out, buddy. There we go. 3. All right, we're going to start on the other end. Looks like we have another fancy pin and pin. Look at that thing. I can't wait. I'm going to get a closer look at that guy in a minute. Oh, we got another. Oh, we got a rattler. Very good. Very nice. And last but not least is... Ooh, okay, okay. And the spring. Spring. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Hold on. I lost it. There we go. All right, let's take a look inside here. It doesn't look like he's done any type of work inside the Bible itself. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at these pins. Oh my gosh, these are some nice ones. Oops. All right, so we have some very interesting, well-cut pins. Looks like we got a nice little... Okay. And then we had some pin and pins on 4 and 5. That's actually an American serrated pin, I think, that he's got hidden away inside there. That's pretty genius. Not all the way up, not all the way through though, so that's pretty good. Nice little feature on the back here. Then we have, it looks just like a spool with a high end in the end. We got ourselves a rattler, and this thing, let me kind of take a good look at this thing. Does it come apart? Oh, it does. Okay, so you have like a it looks like a a steel pin on the top. And yeah, you have another type of pin and pin action here on the front. Very well done, Cucumber. Great job. Thank you, LockJunkie. Thank you, Mr. LockJunkie, for throwing this at me. He sent it to me to give it a try. And that's what we got. All right, guys. Cucumber's Garbo Challenge Lock picked and gutted. All right. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like my content, check it all out. And happy picking, everybody.